In the earliest chapter of its history, Earth was a young, restless world. Its surface was shaped by towering volcanoes, oceans in constant motion, and skies illuminated by endless showers of meteorites. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a cataclysmic event forever changed the fate of our planet. A celestial body, nearly the size of Mars, collided with the young Earth. The impact unleashed an immense force, hurling vast amounts of rock and debris into space. These fragments remained trapped in Earth's orbit. Over time, drawn together by gravity, they coalesced into a new celestial body, the Moon. In the millions of years that followed, our satellite cooled and solidified, its surface scarred by craters and vast basaltic plains. Its influence was profound. It stabilized Earth's tilt, shaped the rhythm of the seasons, and created the conditions that allowed life to flourish. From that moment on, the Moon has been a silent companion in the story of our planet. Night after night, it reflects the light of the sun, a constant reminder of its ancient and dramatic origins. The Moon is not simply a satellite. It is a living record of a distant age, a lasting trace of the cosmic forces that shaped the Earth and made our existence possible.